Hey everyone, welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, I will show you on how you can connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram Shop. The first thing you want to do, open two tabs on your browser, one for Shopify and one for Meta Business Suite. Log in with your Shopify account and Facebook Meta or Instagram, depending on what platform you would like to connect your Shopify. Once you're logged in on both Shopify and Meta, go to the Shopify tab and click the Add Apps, which can be found on the left side of the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on Shopify App Store. On the search box, search for Meta, click on Facebook and Instagram. Please take note that the developer should be Meta in order for us to successfully connect our Shopify with Meta or Instagram. To install, click on the Add App, and once you've clicked it, you will be directed to this page, and all you have to do is to click on Add Sales Channel. You can see on your Shopify dashboard that the Facebook and Instagram has been added under Sales Channels. On your Shopify dashboard, under the Sales Channels, click on Facebook and Instagram, scroll a little bit, and click on Start Setup. To connect your Shopify with your Meta, click on Connect Account. After clicking that, you will be directed to a Facebook login prompt in which you will choose Continue. If you don't have a Facebook page yet, you can easily create one by going to your business suite and clicking on Create a Business Account. Going back to Shopify, after clicking the Connect, just click the new business account you have just created and hit Select and Connect. After this, it will take you to the checkout method. To continue with the purchase, click on Edit Payment Settings and fill out the necessary details. You can also choose the Your Shopify online store and click Save. You will be directed to Manage Facebook and Instagram Data Sharing Preference window. Choose the type of preference you would like to use. Hit Save once you have chosen your preference. Lastly, choose a pixel you want to connect to track customer behavior. You might want to create a new one or choose the one you have created before. If this is your first time, click on Create New and hit the Confirm button. Now go to your Meta and find the Events Manager. This can be found by clicking on the three bars on the left side of the screen and clicking Events Manager. Once you've done these steps, go back to your Shopify tab and agree to Facebook Seller Agreement and Facebook Business Tools terms. Click Submit for review and wait for like a minute or two. Since Shopify is finalizing channel setup, either you are approved or need some revisions on your application. Just redo the steps, and once you are approved, continue the process by clicking Done and start the verification process into Facebook. You will be redirected to Meta Commerce. This one should appear, but in our case, we don't have an actual Facebook shopping enabled yet, so that means that nothing will appear here in Meta Commerce Manager. Let's assume that you have your products on Shopify. What you want to do is to click the Start Verification. From under Issues that Need Attention, in Meta Business Suite, choose on How will Meta verify you in order for Meta to review your personal expenses. Click the box and hit Next. Fill out the necessary information. Later on, you can start by choosing Add Products under Add Products to start selling. And there we go. We have now successfully linked our Shopify with Meta Business Suite. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.